So today I have a new kettle to share. This one's more of a retro style. This one uses 120 volts and 1500 watts. For those across the pond, sorry, this is not going to work for you. And this has a capacity, I believe it's 1.7 liters. Now this one is made from a stainless steel, and we do have a pretty simplistic design. This has a on-off switch, and that's it. We do have a thermometer that we can see our temperature, and in this one you will have to watch it if you are wanting to get a precise temperature. Now let's go ahead and get some water in this. I'll fire it up and I'll give you some close-ups, and we'll see how quick this one does. All right, so I'm filling this up with just regular tap water, and we'll see how well it works with just the tap water. And our starting temperature looks like it's a little over 63 degrees. Now we will see in the front where we do have this temperature gauge, and it's going to let us know the current temperature that we are at. Over here is our little power switch. You can see that it does light up when it is turned on. And then we have a little view window, and it is 1.7 liters. It shows you right there for the maximum level. So this one heats up pretty quickly. We are only 3 minutes in, and we are getting close to the 140 mark, and you can almost see it in real time. It is moving very, very slowly as I talk. So if you are paying attention, you will see how quick it does rise. So right now it's right about the 180 mark. So if you wanted to have a certain precise temperature for a certain tea or something, just flip that switch when you're ready and it will shut it off. I'm going to go ahead and go all the way to the boiling. We are just about 6 minutes in now, and we're just about there. All right, so we are pretty much at a boiling point now. I don't know if this ought to, oh, yep, there it goes. It automatically clicks off as soon as it hits that 212 point for that boiling. Now for me, this took closer to 7 minutes. Of course, the water temperature starting and your elevation is going to play a big role in that. Now, one thing that I really like about these is that they are very simple to use, especially this one where it's just got the one-off switch. And this is something that's perfect for like my 8-year-old. She's very independent. She likes to cook her own stuff, or as much as I allow her to. And she really likes things like ramen and stuff when I allow her to eat those. So being able to use a kettle like this where it's just the press of a button and she can have boiling water after a few minutes, so I don't have to worry about her using the stovetop or anything like that. That is one of the reasons why I like these kettles, besides just for tea or coffee whenever I do use them for that. And I do encourage my daughters to be independent and learn how to cook and everything. But if you want something that's a little bit more retro, vintage looking, and it works really well, super easy to use, one switch and that's all you need to do. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.